Hi guys, welcome to Crypto Me 101, the home of value and good information when it comes to crypto, currency trading and investment. And now it's all about the crypto headlines, and I've got so much news to share with you on the show right now, and you do not want to miss out. If you're not subscribed to the channel, you might want to do that right now because this is where we bring you the crypto headlines on a daily. My name is Ahmed Aladmeji Kazim, and this is the headline. All right, without wasting time, happy birthday to Bitcoin. Bitcoin white paper celebrate 14th year birthday yesterday, and we can, if you want to check the white paper, you can go to bitcoin.com and check out the white paper and read all the tokenomics and all of that and what the pseudonomy did and how he created BTC. Also on the radar, we have India Central Bank to start wholesale CBD pilot today, and you might want to check that out. El Salvador is on our radar today. El Salvador Development Bank refuses to review Bitcoin record. We know El Salvador has been accumulating a lot of BTC for some times, and it's even a legal tender over there in El Salvador. You might want to take a ride or fly there to flex your BTC. All right, let's move to another news. GameStop adds Web3 gaming NFT to marketplace with immutable X. We all know what happened with GameStop some years ago. People made millions or billions out of it, and now they are into NFT, and they're now even bringing in Web3 to the marketplace, talking about immutable X, and you might want to check that out. Before, let's move to another news on the radar. Hong Kong to conduct public consultation on retail crypto trading and ETF. We can see that Hong Kong Security and Futures Commission is set to conduct a public consultation on how to give retail investor access to digital asset, and I think that's a great thing, talking about adoption of cryptocurrency worldwide. And we can see Binance, almighty Binance CEO, we put 500 million into Elon Musk as acquisition to bring Twitter into Web3. That's nice. And we see he says here that we want to make sure crypto has a seat at the table when it comes to free speech. And I agree with that. We all know we want free speech when it comes to cryptocurrency. I'm talking about a dog that won the race last month. I'm talking about Dogecoin, guys. Don't mind me. Dogecoin doubles in October following Elon Musk's Twitter takeover. We all know Elon Musk purchased Twitter last week, and it was the talk of the town, talking about the trend on all social media. And we can see Dogecoin is all around winner among the industry biggest cryptocurrency in the past month, with its price almost doubling over the period. All right, let's move to another news on the radar. Crypto lender Hodlland lost almost 190 million in Terra crash. We all know a lot of people lost money on Terra crash because Terra Luna Terra Classic now is not Terra Classic, crashed some months ago, and that affected the cryptocurrency so much. Let's move to another. Speaking about Terra, this guy has always been getting himself in trouble here and there. They've been looking for him for some time now, and now another news on the radar says Terra co-founder Do Kwon faces 557 million US dollar class action lawsuit in Singapore. You might want to check that out. And now we have on another radar, on our news radar again, Visa, PayPal, Western Union amongst fourth flurry of what? Crypto trademark flings. And we can see stablecoin have a new name in Great Britain. Now we all know, talking about Rishi that was successful, inaugurated as the new prime minister last week. We saw that was a good news for crypto as well. We've been seeing so much good news coming into crypto, and we can see that this guy has been a supporter of crypto since we knew about him, and it seems we may witness unprecedentedly active pro-crypto regulation on the island, giving Sunak, that's the new prime minister, non-ambition on the matter. The new PM has previously voiced his support for crypto and even commissioned the Royal Mint to issue a non-fungible token, that is NFT, by the end of the year during his time as the head of Treasury. However, the industry still faces pressure from local banks, we try to block business and individual from investing in cryptocurrency. So we'll be waiting for that to see. You might want to read more about that. This is headline, guys. First rug pull on Aptos. Aptos chain reportedly drained. I told you Aptos, they give so much vision, talking about we can have TPS of 1000 or 150 done in a second, but when they act that the blockchain, that's the first layer blockchain law, we saw what happened to it, and you might want to check that out. I'll subscribe to the channel and you can get to know much about that. Elon Musk will force Twitter users to pay for verification, and I think the amount is around $20, where a lot of people have been talking about, and we can't wait to see what that has to do with the verified Twitter. And if you've not subscribed to our social medias, you can do that. We're on all platforms at Crypto Being 101, and you can be part of the greatness happening on this platform. Back to the headlines, guys. HUSD, stablecoin plunges to 0.03 following open delisting. That is bad news. We need to check that out if you really want to check it out. Crypto platform Modular lost 190 million from Terra Cloud. We just said that now. Ukraine, Indonesia, Russia led crypto adoption in Q3, that is in Q3, and that is so alarming because we thought it's going to be European, and we all know in Africa, Nigerian is being number one, talking about their number 7th in the world, talking about ranking of, speaking of adoption of cryptocurrency in the world. And let's check one more before we check the NFT out. UK closes crypto platform PGI Global for defrauding investors with over $700,000. So that's on the headline today. Let's check some NFT making headline. We can see Looks Rare Inc. NFT creator dropping mandatory royalty fees. RTF gets Figitica luggage files off shelf, and we saw this last time. Apple welcomes NFT in Apple Store on the tight news. These are the headlines I have for you guys. You might want to check them out. If you've not subscribed to the channel, you need to do that right now. Subscribe, like, and share, and do not forget to turn on the notification bell for more headlines on this platform. My name is Ahmed Oladimeji Kazim, and you're watching the headlines on Crypto Being 101, where we give value and good information. Until I catch you on another episode of the headline, it's peace out from me.